Adom TV so Adom TV so be dwendwuma die so dia we can see won sempa esa kana no penso ja metin di Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace akudi catch back pay the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya econo quantum coding small do esa kana no penso e we Ghana goodie ejaw one expert have always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet the one expert na feji fast mixture infections netete one set me can be beating aboa said more gel and roll on modern that so sabiti an cancer do be etu pain ya odi ase fi pampa so kopimo na ase beboa e ma niema etia tutu ye dia ma kwa shaman me market na fete man so enye na ho kra obetia from 0208219129 na on said more gel and roll on from panyfo ye ntwetwe nkomo ehwemu a e ma niema tutu ye enfama a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with very first step yenko FIFA World Cup 2022 Qatar ne ba so aba na wiye na yenhwe top 10 goals a etime pie mu World Cup ni Argentina for the FA Qatar on the Monitian Sancho Mukum, me sure say none of Prometian Sakudia, Adoma, essentially be the home commodity but France Fonso could do ye, Nan Comurum could do my money Mosamosa and so France, or now Copre Paria, sending a white danger, some Keto Croatia, Fonso Como, also a good Mukum, cramping for Faso John Felsono, not any Kay Panamia Doma, and home como everything but Kamara Din Sulemana, and then Kumoha Ketian San, but Blasters, a woman say, coach to Adwo jet team there toward the enemy. Or say coach for between us about on her side team we are on some formal and Shishania my beating aboa Emanyama Kuyi Amagana.
Yeah, we were able to lead Ghana together because yeah, we know each other and then if you keep playing, then we will play for a long time. Then we know what to do and how we are going to play together. Then it's more easier to play and then win games. And hopefully, in the future we win more games. The connection becomes tighter and everything. So I think what he says is a compliment to us, but at the same time is something that should motivate us to.
Inti Kamara Dini Suleiman and Nkomo no so dia bana no chan team no any abrepa the Black Galaxies also say omoko nyame adoma obetia kopija frank na gene kunku free bane a House of Folk player and nkran chesas wa turn contract ni shim dia House of Folk isan so be ko chana emrane chesas say witimi affiliated to a club a local club domestic league no so uginem ono so nkoma odi abani
very high. And then even alone is a motivation for us. We have to do something for our motherland. So I think we have a future in the CHAN tournament. And then with the support of my teammates, I think I can do better in the CHAN tournament. Sure, they should expect the trophy, and then they should expect a good game, and then at least a good position in the tournament from us. Like, it was marvelous yesterday during training. They received us well, and then they cheered us, they congratulated us, and then they supported us too.
It's free ban say expected trophy no, and yes, be a rough crown Kokodi, group Sudan womb, nothing so a crown Morocco woman, see expected trophy Yamiadoma, Eco Faba. Ghana Premier League against Nasha Sianes and Manchester between Santos Fem na Accra Lions and Samates Ebo 1 and after Go Stars and so cheer to Ukraine Kabako Montiante and then Yamiadoma matches on 18 Santos so uninterrupted. Sendosman is a great Olympics Canadian Stars and Ebo nothing Sweterman and Accra House of Folk and their case also a bit me at 10 times. So Yemra a good year Ahudo Akadema. They said the president of the Ghana Table Tennis Association GTTE Ramauko Fajanu and now I'm elected as the first vice president for Ghana Olympic Committee GOC and it's the annual general assembly and as I said so creating some to Muhimudia and sent him and a Kobase when you Uraba Kono a mayor of Accra Ura Mohammed J Sua 19 votes and Otimi Esampuli Sanchez on Criminal Suma Utim Sampa on 19 Sanquinity Nina say Ura Polachu known as first vice president at the Ghana Olympic Committee of Anna Kanchinigui and any before elections are Yedina Shim, Second Biasura, Mauka Fajano, on so beboa, Amaniama Etian Kui, Ura Mauka Fajano, Edim Quinim, Ewabatu to General, and also Edin Kumoha Krejai.
That there were four things that I think is very paramount for the GOC, and it's number one is the passion, our energy, the four that keeps us going. Number two is the people and how everything connects back to the people and the growth and the development of sports and this country. Number three, you listen to the discussions, you realize that governance and principles are very important, and we are looking at embedding that and making that define how the GOC works and functions, because at the end of the day, we need to be setting the path and we need to be setting the standards for the growth and blossoming of sports in Ghana. And so I'm very happy about what we've seen here today, and I'm particularly excited about the spirit, about the energy. A lot of people here sacrifice so much and give so much of themselves to sports, and I'm sure that the biggest reward you can ever get is to see your handiwork grow and blossom and become something very useful to the good people of Ghana. My humble contribution as a member of the team is to do my little contribution so that the sense of oneness, the Olympic spirit, becomes very manifest in everything that we do. And also being able to support the team and support my president and the rest of the executive to ensure that we are able to uplift sports in this country. I mean, the thing about sports is that when sports is good, it sets the country on a high. It charges the emotions and the sense of the sense of goodness, in the country, and that's very important for us. I mean, you saw what happened at the World Cup, you see what happened at the Olympics. Anytime Ghana is doing well, we all feel so proud. Our sense of identity goes up, and we want to see this becoming a pathway for a lot of young men and women in this country. We want people to believe that sports provides an option for you to be the best that you can be, and we want people to take that.
See, Ura Mauko Fajano and a first vice president in the Ghana Olympic Committee who can't Ura Benu Mensano or GOCO as the president. Now, we by elections and Ra, it's me about Smidisi and Amanda Wasia Sancho P. Bachan Swam say 1x bet. I've always told you that betting is better than soccer. Or bet the interest which is say, we tried it before, didn't before trying to come here. We didn't come son, man, to catch up with you for now for my wife as a four. None of them Ukrumunum plan for you as a 1x bet and my boys and your financial freedom. It's bet the Utran so another drink a crack when yes, I bet you are. Why dream betting a boom between betting and such a show? A 1x bet, a won't and a medical or Jeff fast mixture, a duty a boy Juma, same infections, gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, white fit and a so deep and achua, unya Jeff as a dribia, and also boy, proper, no who come up. Wait me me a chair. Sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel. A cap pain, yaudi for a pampas or copy when I say do a boy too much, but more than that quarter money a shama share so on submitting a cabin. So to be a cotton and I say what to their home betting from 020-821-9129. Now on a sedimo gel and roll on from paying for Yankee Trunk Moeshamwa and Maniama 1822 from Madama. Woman attached the boy men and open so you didn't come out and Sakaye, I will can see soon a jow. Within the profit as a good catch back pay, and I'm generally, of course, evidence-based sports presentation to me, bro. Yamia Duma Besant me Kabusi, then come out as a bro or Charles Patu to Besset Sabria. The act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.